In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google Gemini Canvas for meal suggestions, and you'll even get to try it yourself. Let's jump right in and make sure you have your device ready to follow along. First, open your web browser and head straight to Google's homepage. It's an excellent starting point for our journey with Google Gemini Canvas. Once you're there, simply type Google Gemini into the search bar and hit enter. You'll soon see a list of results related to Google Gemini. Now, look through the search results until you find the official Google Gemini website. Click on it to proceed. This is where the real fun begins. On the Google Gemini page, you'll be exploring options and creating prompts. It's a straightforward process, but can be incredibly useful once you get the hang of it. Next, let's dive into creating our first prompt. To do this, you'll want to make a prompt asking, "Give me 10 ideas of what to eat in Tokyo. Include pictures." This is a great way to generate creative meal suggestions, complete with visual aids. Once you've entered your prompt, it's time to move on to the tools. Look for the tools option on your screen and give it a click. This is where you'll find various features to enhance your experience. Among these features is the Canvas tool, which is our next stop. Click on Canvas, and you'll find a space where your ideas can come to life visually. After you've explored Canvas, it's time to submit your work. There should be a Submit button that you can click. Depending on the complexity of your prompt, it might take a little while for the results to populate. So, this is where patience is key. Just sit back and let Google Gemini do its magic. Once you have your meal suggestions, let's see how we can take this a step further. Imagine you want to create landing pages for each of these meal suggestions. You can do this by making a new prompt. Create me a landing page for each meal. This will let you have more detailed and interactive options for each suggestion. Finally, after you've entered this new prompt, hit the Submit button once again. Give it a moment. Good things take time, and before long, you'll have custom landing pages with great detail. With this, you'll be all set to showcase your meal ideas in a captivating way. And there you have it. You've learned how to start with Google Gemini Canvas for meal suggestions and even create landing pages. This tool opens up a world of creativity and productivity, making it easier than ever to bring your ideas to life. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed the guide. Now, go ahead and try it yourself. You might just discover some fantastic meal ideas and more.